Hey everybody, today we are making holiday ornaments because, well, it's just that time of year and I love to make Christmas ornaments. Today we're using a bunch of beautiful aluminum wire from John Bead and Crystal Lane faceted beads. Now this is a great bead buster if you have a bunch of beads left over that you don't know what to do with, and they make really beautiful holiday ornaments. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say, hey, you know how much I love it when you pop in and say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make some Christmas ornaments. Aluminum was first isolated in 1825 by Hans Christian Ørsted in Copenhagen, who reported a lump of metal which in color and luster somewhat resembles tin. Ørsted produced aluminum by reducing aluminum chloride using a potassium-mercury amalgam. The mercury was removed by heating to leave the aluminum. The evidence of wire has been found in archaeological sites dating back 5,000 years. Initially, wire was used in jewelry. Metal strips would be pushed through holes in stone beads so the metal would fold over into a tube shape. The history of Christmas trees goes back to the symbolic use of evergreens in ancient Egypt and Rome and continues with the German tradition of candlelit Christmas trees first brought to America in the 1800s. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead, the aluminum wire, and all the beads I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you next week. Happy holidays.